Well, another real estate story. Many years ago, when I was living in Etobicoke on a Burnhamthorpe Road, no, not too far from Ranforth Drive, I was checking the properties before showing to my clients in Mississauga. Yes, years ago, this is what we did. Sometimes I'm saying we realtors. So before bringing my clients in, I was checking, for example, 20 houses and not showing them only three because I knew exactly what my people want to buy. So I was thinking, okay, today I have time. They will be able to see it in 2 3 days. In other words, those houses will not go off the market within 2 3 days, like during the COVID when everything was sold, sometimes even within hours. I'll go, I'll check it out, I'll choose, and I'll send them of the best, and I will be able to show them just 2 3 during the weekend. And I'm checking the house one after another, and since I have so many years experience, I go through the houses very as quickly as my legs allowed me to run down up and down the stairs, right? And next. And one house I'm coming in, and it's a dark house, and not only color wise, I feel the energy. It's really heavy. I never had that experience before in my life. And I even feel like something like a fear, physical fear. And I'm thinking, am I in danger? I didn't know that time. So I just proceeded slowly and cautiously. I went into the living room. It was kind of okay. I went into the family and I looked at the walls and I realized where the fear coming from. On the walls, there was a few heads of the animals, stuffed animals. Ooh, it was deers. I think it was boar, and I don't remember it was bear or not. But anyway, it was quite a few stuffed animals, and I felt so. Oh, what can I say? I probably even felt the squeeze in my chest. So I turned around. I was happy to lock that house. And I looked into the bright sky. I looked into the sunlight and I think, oh, thanks God, I don't feel that energy anymore. The moral of the story is be completely and utterly prepared. The colors are advised to have one throughout whole house. Same thing with the flooring. The best thing is to have same kind of flooring on each, or maybe if it's possible on all levels of the property. Picture frames, better to have in one color. The flowers, the caulking, the filling of all the cracks, the repainting of the original kitchen cabinets, all of these items definitely help on the top of total decluttering. The way we live, and even myself personally, is not the way to sell the property. The property needs to be best of the best as a bright, new, shiny toy on the shelf of the market. And our realtor's job is to get the maximum possible price with the minimum inconvenience to you as a sellers during the selling process. But before we put property on MLS, the best thing is to get together, to work as a team, to prepare the house, and then put it on the market. Thank you very much. Looking forward to talk to you.